If you're deciding between the Insta360 X6, Insta360 X5, and Insta360 X4, understanding the differences is essential before making your purchase. While the Insta360 X4 remains a solid performer and the X5 introduced meaningful upgrades, the upcoming Insta360 X6 is expected to bring the biggest improvements yet. With a rumored larger sensor, faster 8K recording, better color depth, and improved battery life, the X6 could become the new king of consumer 360 cameras. The Insta360 X4 uses a 1/2-inch sensor, which already delivers detailed and vibrant 360 footage. The X5 improved on this with a larger 1.28-inch sensor, offering noticeably better low-light performance and improved dynamic range. However, the upcoming Insta360 X6 is rumored to feature a massive 1-inch sensor. This would be a huge leap for a consumer 360 camera, allowing it to capture much more light and produce cleaner images with lower noise. Whether you're filming at night, indoors, or during sunrise and sunset, the X6 is expected to deliver a significant improvement in image quality. Looking at the lens specifications, the Insta360 X4 features a slightly wider f1.9 aperture, while both the X5 and X6 are expected to use an f2.0 aperture. Although the X4 has a small advantage on paper, the much larger sensor inside the X6 should more than compensate for the slightly narrower aperture. Combined with advanced image processing, the X6 is expected to produce brighter, sharper, and more natural-looking footage in almost every situation. Video recording is another area where the upcoming X6 is expected to stand out. The Insta360 X4 and X5 both support 8K 360-degree recording at up to 30 frames per second, delivering highly detailed, immersive videos. The rumored X6, however, is expected to increase that to 8K at 50 frames per second. This upgrade means smoother motion, better stabilization during fast movement, and higher quality slow-motion footage. Whether you're recording action sports, travel adventures, or cinematic content, the higher frame rate will make videos look much more fluid and professional. In single lens mode, all three cameras support 4K recording at 60 frames per second, making them suitable as traditional action cameras. While the recording resolution remains the same, the X6's larger sensor and improved AI image processing are expected to produce better colors, stronger dynamic range, and cleaner low-light footage than both the X5 and X4. Photography is equally impressive across the lineup, with all three cameras offering up to 72 megapixel photo resolution. However, megapixels alone don't determine image quality. The larger sensor inside the X6 should capture finer details, preserve highlights more effectively, and reduce image noise, giving photographers noticeably better results, especially in difficult lighting conditions. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades for the X6 is 10-bit color recording. Both the X5 and X4 are limited to 8-bit color, which works perfectly for casual shooting and social media uploads. The X6's 10-bit color is expected to capture billions of color shades, resulting in smoother gradients, richer colors, and much greater flexibility during color grading. For professional creators and filmmakers, this feature alone could make the X6 the clear winner. Performance is also expected to improve thanks to the triple-chip AI engine. While the X4 and X5 already feature triple-chip processing, the upgraded AI engine in the X6 is rumored to provide faster image processing, improved stabilization, better HDR performance, and more advanced noise reduction. Even though all three cameras maintain a maximum video bitrate of 200 megabits per second, the improved processor should help the X6 deliver cleaner and more refined footage. Battery life continues to improve with each generation. The Insta360 X4 comes with a 2,290 mAh battery, while the X5 increases capacity to 2,400 mAh. The upcoming X6 is rumored to feature a larger 2,550 mAh battery, allowing creators to shoot longer without constantly swapping batteries. Despite the larger battery and bigger sensor, the X6 is expected to weigh only 206 grams, just slightly heavier than the X5 at 200 grams and the X4 at 203 grams, making it just as portable for travel and outdoor adventures. Durability remains another strong point across the lineup. The Insta360 X4 offers waterproofing down to 10 meters without additional housing, while both the X5 and the upcoming X6 are expected to be waterproof to 15 meters. This makes them better suited for snorkeling, swimming, surfing, and other water-based activities without needing extra protection. Turning to the back of the retail box, we finally get a complete look at what's included inside the Essentials bundle. Along with the Insta360 X6 itself, buyers appear to receive an extra extreme battery, a 114cm invisible selfie stick, a charging case, USB-C cable, lens cap, protective pouch, cleaning cloth, and a quick start guide. Interestingly, the packaging also mentions an extended warranty, hinting that Insta360 may include an additional year of protection with this bundle. Another exciting part of the leak comes from several real-world comparison photos. When placed beside the Insta360 X5, the design changes become much easier to notice. Instead of simply making the camera thinner, Insta360 appears to have redesigned the body to be shorter and more compact, while still keeping its large dual lenses. That means better portability without sacrificing image quality, making the X6 easier to slip into a pocket or carry on everyday adventures. Another comparison shows the X6 sitting next to a GoPro-style 360 camera, and the size difference is immediately noticeable. The X6 looks significantly smaller, while still maintaining its premium dual-lens design, showing just how far compact 360 camera technology has evolved. Perhaps the most exciting discovery is the camera interface shown on the front of the packaging. It appears to display 8K at 50 frames per second, something we've never seen before on an Insta360 camera. If this turns out to be real, users could enjoy much smoother footage along with high-quality slow-motion playback while maintaining stunning 8K resolution. That would represent one of the biggest performance upgrades over the X5's current 8K 30 frames per second limit. Finally, there's pricing. One leak suggests the standard Insta360 X6 could launch at around 689 euros, while the Essentials bundle may cost approximately 789 euros. That's about a €100 increase over the previous generation. The Insta360 X4 remains a great choice for beginners, while the X5 offers better image quality and battery life. The upcoming Insta360 X6, with rumored 1-inch sensor, 8K 50 frames per second, 10-bit color, AI upgrades, and improved waterproofing, could become the most powerful consumer 360 camera yet. 360 camera.